Today, children spend up to 90% of their time indoors. But by creating optimal daylight and ventilation conditions inside, their learning abilities can increase by up to 15%. The Hessenwaldschule near Frankfurt is a living proof of that statement.
Best thing you can do that people are feeling healthy is that you create good spaces with material, with light. It's very important for the feeling and also for the healthness. I mean, there are science about that.
Every year, the children spend approximately 200 days in school, with 70% of that time inside classrooms. The architectural design of the large atrium, the center of the school, is not only designed as a meeting point for playing, learning and resting, it is the main source of incoming daylight and fresh air.
Wir haben hier ein ideales Klima. Ein Klima erstmal, wie man sich hier wohlfühlt. Die Architektur ist toll, die Lichtverhältnisse sind super und natürlich auch die Temperatur. Wir können hier sehr gut arbeiten. Wenn man sagt, dass es ganz, ganz wichtig ist, dass die Lehrer und Schüler gut miteinander arbeiten, dann stimmt es, aber die Basis muss da sein, der Raum muss da sein. Man spricht ja nicht nur vom Raumklima, man spricht ja auch vom Lernklima.
A good indoor climate is important for everyone's quality of life. Fresh air increases the ability to concentrate and learn. And at the same time, it reduces allergies and the risk of poor health. The future challenge is to embrace this insight and to use the potential of modern building components to bring daylight and fresh air into our educational institutions. Every day, everywhere.